Hey, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to explain very basic type conversion. Type conversion is the conversion of a value of one data type to another. Two ways in which we can do this are implicit and explicit. Implicit is done automatically. If done explicitly, we precede a value with the new data type within a set of parentheses. And you list the new data type, put it in before a variable or value. Let's perform an implicit cast. Suppose we have variable that I will assign int a variable x is equal to 3.14. As we know that integer can only hold the whole number. If we will to display x, then we have to write standard std followed by colons cout standard out. Then we have to write the variable name. Then just control S, then hit run. Well, the value is 3. We truncated the decimal portion and implicitly converted this number into integer. What if x was of the double data type? Let's just comment this line and write double x is equal to 3.14. Control S and hit run. Sorry, we have an error. We did not add semicolon. Control S, hit run. There you are. We have the 3.14, right? Well, then we would retain the decimal portion. What would happen if I cast 3.14 as an integer, then assign it to a double variable? Before the value add a set of parentheses, then the new data type. You can just do before this value add parentheses int, then control S. This will convert this to int, right? Just control S and hit run. I did convert 3.14 to an integer, then store it within the double, that is x. X value now is equal to 3, right? There. It's a whole number. That is one example of implicit and explicit type conversion. Here is a few other example. I have x that let's take char. Okay, char x is equal to 101. Okay, like 101. If I were to display this, what will be the x? Just control S and hit run. The answer should be, what should be the answer? It's E, because 101 represent character E, right? Well, we will implicitly cast this number, that 101, as a character. I'll convert it using the ASCII table to whatever is equivalent is the number 101 converted to character. It's letter E, right? Let's try an explicit cast. I will display the number 101 explicit cast. You can do one thing. You can just write here char 101. Control S, hit run. That value is letter E as output. How this is useful? Suppose we have an online exam. We have to give the user a score and how many questions did they get right. Divide by how many questions were total. Let's try and write something like this. int correct answer is suppose 8. The user has 8 questions that are right out of 10 questions. Right? Let's write number of questions. What is the number of questions? Is 10, right? There are 10 total questions. I need to calculate the score as a percentage. Let's do one thing. We can do one thing. Score like double. You can type because the score could be in decimal, right? Double is score is equal to correct answer divided by that number of questions multiplied by 100, because we need a percentage, right? They just display whatever results are. Just go ahead and write standard output. What is the score, right? Just write score variable. Control S, hit run. 8 divided by 10 is 0.8, right? And 100 times that should be given as 80. Oh, we have 0, right? We have 0. Well, that's because we are using integer division. Question is of the data type. When we are dividing 8 by 10, we are truncating that decimal portion. We are getting rid of it. Then multiplying whatever remains by 100, I'm going to explicitly cast question as a double of the double data type. And we should retain that decimal portion, right? We can do one thing. We can just go ahead and type double that before question. And now control S and hit run. We have to also write here question, right? Yeah, there we go. 80, where you will use that's the percentage, right? The character answer. And where you will use type of conversion, it's really varies, but you should be aware that you can do it, such as when you are using integer divisions. So yeah, that's type conversion in C++. Hey, if you are enjoying this series, let me know by smashing that like button and leave a random comment and subscribe the channel. Thank you.